Working on your bike today, right? We just tightened the bottom up. Now you need some air, correct? We got to give him some air. So he seen the truck. He was like, I know you know how to work on my bike. You let me put these tools up? Put them back in this bag for me. I'll hold your bike. I'll put your bike over here. So we out here. My guy seen my truck sitting outside. He rolled through with his bike. He was like, hey, mister, can you help fix my bike? So his chain was loose, so we just fixed it up. I'm a bike rider. I grew up loving bikes. When I grew up, man, I used to ride bikes to different towns, like 15 and 20 miles. Like, no lie. Like, did it all the time. I went from McGee to Arkansas City, from Arkansas City to Reed, riding the bike. So it's cool to be helping them out here today. We out here chilling. It's a nice day outside in Georgia. On my mind. Hold on.